Fish vendor killed in fish market. Hi again and welcome. This is ll7d TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to ll7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. ll7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is ll7 TV News Report. A female fish vendor was gunned down by a man at Old Harbour Fish Market in St. Catherine on Tuesday, February 15. She has been identified as 51-year-old Patsy Coleman of Rasta Corner in Sandy Bay, Clarendon. Reports are that at around 1:15 p.m., Coleman went to the fish market to purchase fish to sell. While on the beach, she decided to use the toilet when she was pounced upon by a lone gunman who shot her multiple times. It is said that after the shooting, the gunman was chased by another person on the beach but fired wildly to keep them at bay and made good his escape on foot in the area. Coleman was rushed to the hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. This has been ll7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.